Hello fam, welcome back again to my channel fam. I'm all dressed up now. I want to go to market and all I have with me is 6,000 naira. I want to see what 6,000 naira can buy for me in the market, although I want to cook soup. So let's go to the market together and see what we can get with 6,000 naira for soup. So stay tuned and let's go. I have a little advice for us. Nigeria is very hard now. You must not break into the bank just to make what you and your family will eat. Just manage the way you see it. Don't keep pressure. Don't put pressure on your husband because he gave you little money. Things are very hard. Just let's celebrate these men. They are trying. Seriously, they are trying. It's not easy. It's not easy to provide. If you provide for your family for 1 week, you understand what I'm telling you. Things are very, very hard in this Nigeria. Not only in this Lagos that I am, but Nigeria. Things are very hard. Please, let's appreciate them. You must not break into the bank before you can make what you and your family will eat. Don't mind all these people on respect yourself. Don't mind all these people. Thank you. Don't mind all these people on social media, YouTube, Facebook. If they are cooking, they will use 2 full chicken to cook 1 pot of soup, and you think it's like that. They are doing all these things just for video sake, for camera. Don't mind them. Don't go and be putting pressure on your husband because of you see this one cooking with the full goats. You see this one cooking with this and blah blah blah, this and that, and you went and be putting pressure on your husband because you want to do like them. Please don't do like anybody. Cut your coat according to your height this period, okay? You must not do like others. See, let me tell you, as far as you have enough crayfish in whatever you are cooking, enough crayfish is a protein. As far as you have enough crayfish on your food, man, you are good to go, okay? You are good to go. Please, let's reduce, okay? Reduce our mindset that without chicken, without turkey, without this thing, we cannot cook. Don't mind them all. They are doing that thing just for camera sake. After preparing that food, they will just remove all those chicken and keep it and use it and cook another meal. Trust me. Okay, so let's go to this market together. Let's go. Love you guys. Stay tuned. Nothing you cannot change. Nothing you cannot now. Madam, you say last price for this one is how much? 1,000. Put this one. You say it's 1,000 last. This one's how much, Pan?
Half already.
So fam, this is the next day. I came back very tired, so I decided to rest and continue today. So this is the smoked fish that I brought. This smoked fish here is 1,000 naira. Then this stock fish is 400 to 200. Then this pepper is 100 naira. 1,400. This here is 1,500. Then this obono here is 1,500. Is 1,500, making it 3,000 naira. Then this one is 500, making it 3,500. This one ozuza leaf with this ogu leaf, 100 naira. This one is 100 naira. This one is 200 naira. Then this meat, I bought this meat 1,000 naira farm with Garri, half pint of Garri, 1,500. So that 6,000 naira couldn't buy everything I need. I'm owing the woman just 300 naira, which I'll pay later. So follow me, let's make this soup. Fam, things are very costly. I have crayfish here. I couldn't buy crayfish at the market because the money is not enough. So I have maggi, I have red oil. So let's just manage what we have and make this soup, okay? Let's get there. From this pomo, I have it already at home. So I didn't buy it with that 6,000 naira. Stockfish. So from this, my crayfish, okwe, and seasoning cube. I've already have it at home. I'll just pound this crayfish now. So far, I just added red oil now. So this is my ogbono. Pounding pepper and crayfish together. It's time to us to add our chopped okra. It's very thick. Let me add a little water. This is my fish, my smoked fish. Let me add it. I've already added enough crayfish. I'll just add these 2 seasoning cubes. This is water. I don't like it too thick. This is ozoza leaf. It's too thick, fam. I don't like my soup thick like this. Let me add it a little bit to water. Yeah, this is okay by me. And this is ugu leaf. Our soup is almost ready. Very sweet, fam. Very tasty. You don't need to break into the bank before you can make what you and your family will eat. Just take a look at it. Very delicious. You don't need to break into the bank before you make what you and your family will eat. Just take a look at this soup. Very delicious and sweet. Wow. The soup is giving. Fam, our soup is ready. It's ready.